How to fix lag in Blox Fruit on Samsung Mobile. Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix lag in Blox Fruit on your Samsung Mobile. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So in order to fix lag in Blox Fruit on your Samsung Mobile, you have to follow these steps. Step 1. Clear background apps. Close all apps running in the background to free up RAM. Tap the Recent Apps button and select Close All. Step 2. Enable Game Mode. Go to Settings, then Advanced Features, and then Game Launcher. Enable Game Mode for improved performance while gaming. Step 3. Clear cache. Go to Settings, then Apps, then Roblox, and then Storage, and tap Clear Cache. Step 4. Restart your device. This helps clear temporary files and refreshes the system. Step 5. Lower graphics quality. Open Blox Fruits, go to the settings menu and reduce graphics quality to low or the lowest possible level. Step 6. Disable extra features. Turn off unnecessary effects like shadows and particles if available. Step 7. Switch to a stable network. Use a strong Wi-Fi connection over mobile data. Avoid playing in areas with poor signal strength. Step 8. Close bandwidth intensive apps. Ensure no apps, for example, downloads, streaming, are using up bandwidth in the background. Step 9. Delete unused apps. Free up internal storage by uninstalling unused apps. Step 10. Move files to SD card or cloud. Transfer photos, videos, or documents to an SD card or cloud storage. Step 11. Update Roblox. Visit the Google Play Store and ensure Roblox is updated to the latest version. Step 12. Update your Samsung device. Go to Settings and then Software Update and install any pending updates. So that's how you can fix lag in Blox Fruit on your Samsung mobile. That's all for this video.